Porsche 928 arrives in 1977 with one clear mission: to replace the 911 as the company's flagship sports car. It brings a front-mounted aluminium V8 with around 240 horsepower, a sophisticated transaxle layout, and a cabin shaped for long-distance comfort rather than track days. The body blends steel and aluminium panels, a Grand Tourer stance that promises autobahn stability and space for serious luggage. On paper, it is the future: smoother, quieter, more refined. A car for executives who like high speeds without raw edges. But for many drivers, it feels too big, too heavy, too far from the rear-engine charisma that made the 911 so intoxicating. Sales remain solid, yet the 928 never truly steals the crown. And after 18 years, the by now 350 horsepower Grand Tourer quietly bows out. Meanwhile, the 911 refuses retirement. In 1988, the 964 generation arrives, 80% mechanically new, beneath a familiar silhouette. It offers 250 horsepower, airbags, ABS, and optional all-wheel drive, blending safety tech with that traditional rear-engined balance. From the 964 platform, Porsche builds a racing version for the Carrera Cup, a one-make series where drivers compete in near-production 911s. There, the lesson becomes obvious. Other brands must replace 80% of a car to race. Porsche tweaks a handful of parts and sends the 11 straight to the grid.